Om Guru Ram Namaste. Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good evening, good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. I am also very fine. Okay. Today we are discussing about mode concept. Okay. Today mean concept and its examples and exercise problems. Computer we have done successfully. Today we are discussing about mode concept. Okay. Now, mode is nothing but a repeated number in a data. Okay. Okay. A value in a data that is repeated number of times. That is known as mode. Okay. First of all, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Actually, this is ungrouped data. Okay, ungrouped data. Okay. Now, what is the mode? Mode equal to 3. Okay. Mode equal to 3. Why mode equal to 3? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. Okay. But the number 3 is repeated 2 times. Okay. Into what? The number that is repeated more number of times in a data is known as mode. Okay, the number that is repeated number of times in a data, that may be grouped data or ungrouped data. Okay, a number that is repeated a number of times that is known as mode. Okay, I understood about mode. I think you understood. Okay, now we can see the example number 4. Okay. What is example number 4? Okay, example number 4. What? The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches. The wickets taken by a 10 taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches. Okay, are given. Okay, now we have to find the mode of the data. Okay, the given data is 2, 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Okay, internal is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In 10 matches, the number of the wickets taken by the bowler. Okay, so now we can arrange the numbers in the ascending order. In what? In increasing order. Then we can find the then you can find the mode. Okay, now 0, 1, okay, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. Now we have arranged the numbers in an order. Okay, that in the increasing order. Means what in an order means that increasing order, decreasing order. But we have to arrange the numbers in order. Why? Because this is ungrouped data. Okay. Now C more equal to C more. Here is repeated how many times? One time. Okay. One is repeated how many times? Two times. Okay. Two is repeated how many times? Three times. Okay. Three times the number is repeated. Okay. Three is repeated how many times? Two times. Okay. Now four is repeated how many times? One time. Okay. Now five is repeated how many times? One time. Okay. Now 6 is repeated how many times? One time. So now how many times the number is repeated? Which number is repeated number of times? 2. Okay. Then other number, the 2 is repeated more number of times. So the mode of the given data is 2. Okay. Mode of the given data is 2. Okay. In this way, you can calculate the mode of the mode for the ungrouped data. Okay. Now, how we have to find the mode for the group data? Let us see how it is. Okay. Let us see how it is. Okay. For that, like mean, there is one formula for finding the mode for group data. Okay. For group data. Okay. Previously we find out the mode for ungroup data. For group data, what is the formula? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0. Okay. By 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay. Now L means lower boundary of the molar gas. Okay. L means lower boundary on the molar gas. Okay. H equal to what? Height of the capacitor. Okay. Height of the class interval. Height of class interval. Okay, like in the previous problem, we find out the height of the cat. Now, in that way only you have to find the H value. Okay, in more also. Okay, now F1 is what? Frequency of the molar gas. Frequency of the molar gas. Okay. Frequency of the molar gas means what? In a ungroup data, in a group frequency is huge. The frequency is given. No, the frequencies are given the question. Huh? The which gas in the is having highest frequency? Which gas is having highest frequency? That is represented by the symbol F1. Okay? Now, F0 means what? Frequency of the preceding molecule. Okay? Highest frequency F1 అనుకున్నాక F1 కన్నా ముందు ఒక FI ఉంటుంది. Preceding means before. Okay? Means what? F1 కన్నా ముందు ఇంకో FI ఉంటుంది. That is represented by the letter F0. Okay? Now what is F2? Succeeding. Okay? The net frequency of the molecular sequence. Okay? That is nothing but F2. Okay? This is nothing but a formula. Okay? This formula can be asked for 2 marks. Okay? How we can ask? Write the formula to obtain the mode for the group data and explain the terms in it. Okay? Then we have to write the mode formula and we have to explain each and every term in a detailed manner. Okay? That is there in your page number 339. Okay? Once checking your textbook. Okay? Now you are going to solve the some of the problems relating to the mode of the data. Okay? Okay? Now we are going to see about the example number 5, which is related to mode. Take out page number 339. Okay? A survey conducted on 20 households means houses in a locality by a group of students. Okay, resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in a household. Find the mode of the data. Means what? One data is given. In the data, family has 1 to means what? Number of members in family means in a family, how many members are there? 2 members are, 3 members are, 4 members are, like that. Like that, how many families are there? Okay? That data is given. In that, for this, we have to find the mode of the data. Okay? Now, how we can find the data given is as follows: 1 to 3, 7 members, 3 to 5, 8 members, 5 to 7, 2 members, 7 to 9, 2 members, 9 to 11, 1 member. Okay? Now here, which is the highest frequency? 8. Okay? So this is nothing but F1. Okay? This is nothing but F1 frequency of the molecule. So this is the highest frequency. So this will be our molecule. Okay? This will be our molecule. Okay? Now F1 is this one. Then preceding is before this is F0. Preceding and the mundamma. And the molecule mundunna frequency F0 and down. Okay? The frequency which is before the molecule is known as F0. Okay, that is continuous frequency of the preceding gas. Okay? Now this is Now next class we will the F2. F2. Okay. Now A equal to what? C. Okay. So A equal to what? C. A equal to C. Okay. H equal to C minus 1 là hiện được. Hãy cho tất cả học we can find mấy trai tình đó. Kiểm hơn cho mình như này nhìn chú. Đó vòng đi theo tu cả thứ. Nhìn chú. Upper vòng đi theo tu cả. Okay. Now C minus 1 2. So H equal to 2. H equal to 2. Okay. Now đây nào. F1 equal to vậy được. F1 equal to vậy được. Okay. Now F2 equal to F0 equal to 7. Okay. F0 equal to 7 and F2 equal to 2. F2 equal to 2. Okay. Now we have to find the mode because we have obtained all the values. Okay. Now find the mode of the data. Okay. Now I can find mode here. Mode equal to formula. Now only we discuss now the formula. That formula only we are writing applying the values. Here we are have to bring the values. Okay, as well F1 minus F0 by 2 into F0 minus F1 minus F2. Okay, into H. Okay, into H. Okay, now into H. Okay, now that is equal to what? 3. Equal 3 plus 3 plus F1. Okay. Right. Is equal to what? F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1. 2 into F1. Okay. 2 into F1 minus F0. 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay. Sorry. Now 3 is equal to 3. Okay. Now F1 equal to what? 8. 8 minus F0 equal to 7 by 2 into F1. F1 equal to what? 8 minus F0 equal to 7 minus 2. Okay. Into H equal to what? 2. Okay. Now simplify the value. Okay. Now 3 plus 8 minus 1. 1 by 2 is 15 minus 9 minus plus so 700 to 9 into 2 okay equal to 3 plus 1 into 2 2 by 7 9 to 7 equals 15 okay now 2 by 7 equal to what 2 by 7 equal to what do division okay do division okay 2 divided by 7. Okay, now 0 point. Okay, 0. 7 to the 14. Okay, now again 6 0. Now enter 56 4. Okay, now enter 56 4 again 40 and further 45 and further 35. Okay, sorry, it is repeating decimal. So the apartment is 0.285 0.285. Okay, 0.285. That is nothing but equal to 3.285. 3.285. Okay, now so the mode of the data is 3.285. Okay, and out. So I think so do not hand out. You can hand out ask me. Okay, now next problem. Example number 6. Okay, now example number 5. Okay, example number 6 is 5. Okay, now read the example. The mark is now 30 students in the mathematics examination are given the HCM table. Table also given. Okay, in the question. Okay, now find the mode of the data. Okay, we have to find the mode. Okay, also compare and interpret the mode and the mean. Interpretation means comparing the values. Okay, which is more mean or mode. Okay, that's it. No need to bother about it. Okay, now see here frequency again 2, 3, 10, 6, 6, 6. Okay, in which is the highest frequency 7. Okay, now 7 is the highest frequency now. So that is 7 is nothing but F1. Okay, next. Okay, F1 is 7. Okay, so F0 is 3. F0 is 3. Okay, now F2 is 6. F2 is 6. Okay, now what is the F1? This is the molecule. Okay, high frequency is known as molecule. So L is equal to 40. L is equal to 40. Okay, now height equal to how much? 25 minus 10. How much? 15. Okay, h equal to 15. H equal to 15. Okay, now F1 equal to 7. F1 equal to 7. F0 equal to 3. Okay, now F2 equal to 6. F2 equal to 6. Okay, now we have to find the mean and the mode. Okay, now what we can find the value of mode. Okay, afterwards mean. Okay, Okay, now mode formula. What is the mode formula? Earlier discussed. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0. F1 minus F0. Okay, by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, into H. Okay, equal to what? 40 plus F1 into what? 7 minus 3 by 2 into 7 minus F0 into what? 3 minus 6. Okay, into H what? Equal to 15. Okay, 15. Okay, now simplify. 40 plus 7 minus 3, 4 by 2 14. 14 minus 9 minus 3 minus 6 minus plus. So we have to add 3 plus 6, 9. Both are having minus symbols of minus. Okay, into 15. Okay, that equal to 40 plus 4 by 5 into 15. 14 minus 9 equal to 5. Okay, now 5 on the 5 theta. Okay, so that equal to 40 plus 4 into 3. Okay, so that equal to 40 plus 4 theta 12. Okay, so more equal to 40 plus 12 52. Okay, now mode of the given data is 52. Okay, now calculate the mean value. Okay, mean value is what? Mean value R is sigma Fi is given. Okay, sigma Fi is given. So find the mean value by using direct method. That is sigma Fi by sigma Fi. Okay, that is xy equal to sigma Fi what? What is given? 1860.0. 1.0 means 1 no. 2.0 means 2 no. Similarly, 1860.0 equal to 1860. So 1860. Okay, 1860. Okay, by sigma Fi equal to what? 30. Okay, 30. Now 0 get cancel. 3 6 18. Okay? 3 to the 6. Okay? 3 on the 3. So x1 equal to 52 by 1. 52 by 1. So x1 equal to 52. Okay? So mod equal to 52 and mean value is 52. Okay? Now, interpretation. Okay? Now mod is 52 means what? Maximum number of students got maximum number of students got 52 marks. Okay? And the mean average marks is 52. Okay, that's it. In that way, we have to make the interpretation between mean and mode. Okay, that is why example number 6. Okay. Now we are discussing the exercise 14.2 first problem. Okay, problem number 1. Okay, problem number 1. What is given? The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Okay, means what in a year the number of patients admitted in a hospital. Okay, according to the ages. Okay, given. Okay, now we have to find the mode and mean. Mean and mode of the given data. Okay. Compare the two values. Okay. Compare with the two measures of center tendency. Two measures of center tendency means what? Means also same. Okay. We have to compare the mean value and the mode value. Okay. Now let us find the answer for mode and mean. Okay. Now 5 to 15, 6. 15 to 25, 7. 25 to 35, 21. Okay. 35 to 45, 23. Okay. Now 45 to 55, 14. Okay. Now 55 to 55, 5. Okay. Now first of all, add total number of frequencies. Okay. Now 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 12, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 14 plus 6, 22. Okay, now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So, sigma Fi equal to 80. Sigma Fi equal to 80. Okay. 7 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 20. 17 plus 20. 37. 37 plus 1, 38. Okay. 38 plus 20, how much? 38 plus 20, 58. 58 plus 3, 51. 51 plus 10, 51 plus 10, 71. 71 plus 4, 75. 75 plus 5, 80. Okay, so sigma Fi is 80. Okay, now next. Now Excel value. Excel value, how do you know how to calculate? Lower boundary by upper boundary by 2. In what? 5 plus 15. How much? 20. 20 by 2. 10. 20 by 2, 10. Okay, now 15 plus 25, how much? 40. 15 plus 25, how much? 40. 40 by 2, 20. Okay, 20. Next, 30. Why I am writing 90? Because the height of the gas is the difference between the two lower boundaries and upper boundaries is 10. So automatically we can increase, we can add 10 to each and every value, then we can get the total XI values. Okay? Now 25 by 30, how much? 60. 60 by 2, 30. Okay? Get there. 40. 30, 60. Okay, now multiply 6 and 60. Okay, 720 is how much? 220. 720 is 220. Okay, now 21 is 31 is 31 is 30. Okay, see 32 is 50. 50 is 53. 63. Okay, now next one 20 into 40. 40 is 12. 4 is 12. 1. Okay. 4 to the 8. 9. Okay. 920. Okay. Now 14 is 70. 700. Okay. Now 550 is 550 so 300. Okay, now add total FX values. 0, total 0 in the month way 0. Okay, now 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 2, 15. Okay? 15. Okay, 1. Okay, now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 7, 18 plus 7, 25. 25 plus 3, 28. So sigma FI is 28, 50. 2050. Okay. Now H equal to what? 15 minus 5, 10. Okay. 25 minus 15, 10. Okay. Equal capacitors, equal height, so it's equal to 10. Okay, now we need frequency, which is the highest value, 23. 23 is the highest value. So this is F1. Okay, this is F0. Facing, okay, this is succeeding, okay. F2. Okay. Now write down F1 equal to 23. Okay. F0 equal to 21. Okay. F2 equal to 14. Okay. Now what is the value of L? L equal to lower boundary on the moderate gas. This is the moderate gas, okay? This is the moderate gas, okay? Now, A equal to what? 35. This is the upper boundary, this is the lower boundary, okay? So, A equal to 35. Okay? Now, we have got all the values, okay? Now, we have to find the values of mean and mode. Okay, for this particular data. Okay, now it is the time to find the mean and mode values. Okay. Time to find mean and mode values. Okay. Now, first of all, find the value of mean. Okay. Now, okay. Now, mean equal to x over by using the method. X over equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi xi by okay by sigma fi. Okay, now equal to fi xi are 2850 2850 by 80. Okay, now 1010 get cancelled. Okay, now 285 by 8, 285 by 8. Okay, divide 285 divided by 8, 285 divided by 8. Okay, now 8 is 24. 8 is 24. Okay, 24, 4 left back, 45. Okay, now 8 5 is 40. Okay, now 5 left back. Okay, now if we keep point again 1 0 we can get. Okay, 50. 8 is 48. Okay, 8 is 48. Okay, now again 2. Again 2, 20. 8 2 is 16. 8 2 is 16. Okay, again 5. Again 4. Okay, so 40. 8 5 is 40. Okay, 0. So meanwhile is what? X bar equal to 35.625. 625. Okay, okay, 35.625. Okay, that is nothing but plus 20, 35.600, 35.60 years. Okay, 35.60 years. Okay, approximate. Okay, not exact value. Okay, 35.60 years. This is the mean value. Okay, now we have to find the mode. Okay, now we have to find the value of mode. Okay, now mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0, F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2. Okay, into H. Okay, then more formula. Okay, now after the values, okay, is equal to 35. 35 is F1 into what? 20t. 20t minus 21 by 2 into F1 into what? 20t minus F0. 21 minus 14. 21 minus 14. Okay? Into H, 10. Okay? Into what did I have? H. H equals 10. You don't know. Okay? Into H. Into H. Okay, here into H equals what? 10. Okay? Now we have to simplify. Okay? Now equal to 35 with 23 minus 21 how much? 2 by 2 into 23, 46. 46 minus 35. 46 minus 35 into 10. Okay? That is equal to 35 with 2 10 20. 20 by 11. Okay? 20 by 11. That is 46 minus 35 how much? 7. Okay? Equal to 35 with 20 by 11 2. 20 divided by 11. Okay? 11 1 11. Okay? Now 1 point. Okay? Now 11 11. 9 0. 11 88. Okay? Again 2. Again this is repeating this one. Okay? So we can talk it. So about 35 is 1.8. Okay? That is nothing but 36.8. Means what 35 can be written 35.0. Okay? Well, 1.8. Okay, that is nothing but 0 is equal to 8. Okay? Point 163. 36.8 years. 8 years. Okay? Okay, this is the mean value and this is the mode value of the given data. Okay? Now we have to write after finding the mean and mode value, we should write like this. Okay? Because he asked no. Compare and interpret the values. Okay? Now write down maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital or of age 36.8 years. Okay? Okay? Average number of patients admitted in the hospital 35.60. Okay? Yes. Okay? Into what maximum number of patients admitted in the hospital is 36.8 years of 8 years of age persons. Okay? And average number of patients admitted in the hospital is of age 35.60 years of age. Okay, this is the way to find the mean and the mode for the given value of data. Okay, thank you everybody. Tomorrow we can discuss the remaining problems. Okay, thank you.